Digital health began as a bold idea, accelerating research, empowering doctors, and redefining the future of better, more accessible healthcare. The digital health community began with those who dared to believe. Since 2017, we've been honoring the best of the best in healthcare. With over 400 winners crowned, we're just getting started.
Our superpower is that we enable physicians to actually measure the biomarkers inside the discs.
We focus on the sickest of the sick patients in the ICU.
We actually address, with our AI-first approach, women's mental health.
We've had the privilege to take care of over 100,000 people.
We're very proud of the partnerships that we have with dentists all over the country.
The future of our country and our world really does rely on how we invest in our children.
And now this year, with the help of our sponsors, we honor a new wave of trailblazers. Welcome to the 7th Annual Digital Health Hub Foundation Awards.
Welcome to the 7th Annual Awards. I'm Mark Goldstein. I'm a venture capitalist at sponsor Builders VC, and I've invested and advised in about 100 or so health and wellness companies. I'm also CEO of one of this year's finalists in the dental category. It's a company called Great Gums. But I'm here today as one of your award show co-producers, and I'm chairman of the Digital Health Hub Foundation. The Digital Health Hub Foundation was formed at UCSF 9 years ago. And in the past, we had our awards celebration at the Chase Center there and on UCSF's campus, but we moved to HLTH, about 4 years ago, because it's the biggest show and everyone's here. We've now awarded over 400 amazing companies with our Digital Healthy Trophy. And people ask, well, why the awards? And it's simple. Almost every company says, hey, we have the best product, buy me, believe me. But what's a discerning payer or provider to do? Well, we felt there needed to be a for-profit third-party award program where that year's best products and services can stand out, just like the Academy Awards, where actors and producers win their Oscars. You win as voted by your peers and over 1,000 qualified judges. So what's new with the awards this year? We've split the event into 4 mini shows across the HLTA show floor. Why? Well, no one has the attention span anymore to sit for a 90-minute show. And look what's happened to the Academy Awards. And this year, of course, we've doubled down on AI. We've got 2 types of categories of companies. We got them up and comers. Those are our rising stars, and they're the hot ones to watch. And then we got our best-in-class companies, and where the focus there is really evidence sales and the impact that they're making. What else is going on? We have a booth. It's at 1760 on the show floor. It's the largest pavilion on the floor, and we have over 60 amazing companies in it. And we have an annual after party, and this year it's at Chica. Now I get to introduce these co-producers. Stephen Klasko, he's the former president and CEO of Jefferson Health. He's a partner at General Catalyst, and he's the author of numerous books, including How Can We Fix Healthcare? He's also tonight's DJ at Chica. Matthew Holt, he's the founder of Health 2.0. He currently runs the healthcare blog and advises tons of startups. He's known for his deep industry expertise, and Matthew has an unmatched understanding of the people, the stories, and the history of digital health. Finally, Dr. Daniel Kraft. He's a leading futurist in the industry and a visionary on digital health innovation. If you haven't attended one of his TED Talks or his NextMed Health conferences or explored his digital.health platform, get going. Daniel's an authority on what's next in healthcare, and he gets to kick off tonight, as he does every year, and he'll walk us through the submission and judging process. And with that, I'm going to hand it over to Daniel.
Thanks, Mark. I'm Dr. Daniel Kraft, founder of digital.health and NextMed Health. Now, the Digital Health Awards process is competitive, rigorous, and made possible by hundreds of incredible volunteer judges, leaders from across healthcare, tech, venture capital, pharma, and beyond. It all begins with open submissions, and this year, we received a record-breaking over 1,200 entries across both Rising Star and Best-in-Class tracks. Companies were asked, what problem are you solving? What's your superpower? Who are your customers? Do you have clinical or customer validation? Are you FDA cleared or in process? And what's your path to cost savings or reimbursement? Next, came quarterfinalist judging. Our judges scored every submission based on validation, traction, clinical impact, and differentiation. That brought us to over 350 incredible quarterfinalists. A huge shout out goes to our amazing judges. If you're here, please give us a wave. We couldn't do this without you. Thank your judges. Really appreciate your help and work here. From the quarterfinalists, we selected down to 140 plus finalists and hosted 9 finalist Zoom sessions, bringing those innovations together to share insights and trends across categories. Special thanks goes to our friends at CB Insights for helping set the stage in each of these sessions. Now, our winners, being announced today, were selected for their impact, innovation, evidence, and business model strength. Want to explore the finalists? Just scan the QR code on the screen to learn more about the amazing solutions transforming healthcare today. And now, on with the show.
I'm Matthew Holt. Okay, we're going to do best in class and rising stars across 2 of the categories, both to the diagnostics. First one is clinical diagnostic devices. And to introduce this, another OG, an old lag from the world of healthcare, Murray Brzezinski from Conversa, and now Aegis Ventures. Murray.
Thank you, Matthew. I'm thrilled to introduce this category of best clinical diagnostic device on behalf of Aegis Ventures. So Aegis is a new kind of venture studio. We are building and scaling next generation health tech companies in partnership with health systems. And I want to give you a quote. So Mark Twain said the 2 most important days in a person's life are the day they're born and the day they discover why. And so we like to partner with founders who've discovered why they were born. And we're building companies with them that are moving care from being reactive to what we call anticipatory care. And that's why I'm particularly excited about this category, because I think that AI is going to rewire the whole healthcare enterprise, but it's these companies in this category that are really going to change care, health, and lives. And so with that, I'd like to hand it off to Paul Grand, CEO of MedTech Innovator, who's going to announce the winners.
Well, thank you very much. Hey, everybody, I'm Paul Grand, CEO of MedTech Innovator. We're the world's largest healthcare accelerator. We've been proud to partner with the Digital Health Awards for many, many years, and it's great to be able to recognize innovation. It is so hard to be successful in this industry, and it really does take a village, and these awards are a great part of that. So with that, I am going to announce the nominees and the winners in the best in class and the overall for this category. So, first of all, this is clinical diagnostic devices. I think we all know how important these things are. They make a huge difference in care, and they're really transforming the way care is managed. So very excited about this. So without further ado, the 4 best-in-class finalists in this category are Baylor Genetics, DermaSensor, Verta Health, and Wellsheet. All right. Applause is good for all those companies. They made it to that category out of many, many companies. So the winner is DermaSensor.
All right.
Cody, get up here.
All right.
Congratulations,
This is Cody Simon,
Cody.
CEO of DermaSensor. DermaSensor equips physicians with immediate, accurate, and objective results to improve skin cancer detection. And there you go. He's got it right in his hand. We'll be doing jobs later for you all.
Oh, yeah, award. All right, double.
I know what.
Now, the Rising Star finalists. There are 8 in this particular category. Here we go. The category includes Aclarion, Amplifier Health, BioBeat, Expanded Existence, or XX, iSono Health, Orca Dental AI, Predica MedTech Corporation, and Test Dynamics. I know it's really, it's a tense moment right now. So there are 3 winners in the category. Are we ready? Okay, the winners are Aclarion Inc., BioBeat, and iSono Health. Woo! Get up here, guys. Congratulations. Netta, fantastic. Congratulations.
All right, so accepting the award, this is Nina Ravasi. She's the CEO of Isono Health, first AI-powered wearable ultrasound platform for early breast cancer detection. Next is Jim Hemsworth. He's the Director of Sales at BioBeat, which is an AI-powered remote platform which uses wearable chest and wrist sensors to track 13 vital health metrics, including blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen. And in the middle is Ryan Bond, the Chief Strategy Officer at Clarion, which is an evidence-supported SaaS platform which leverages MR spectroscopy to help physicians distinguish between painful and non-painful discs in the spine, which many of us have, so I'm looking forward to that.
Cybersecurity, compliance, and resilience are difficult to achieve in any environment, but healthcare is being relentlessly attacked by threat actors and ransomware, and the stakes are too high to weather this storm alone. It's time to bring your organization to Clearwater. Healthcare's deepest and most experienced team of cybersecurity and compliance experts is ready to help you meet the challenge with the services, technology, and proven methodologies it takes to effectively protect your organization and achieve your mission. Get out of the storm and into Clearwater.
Okay, next up, we have home health diagnostic and monitoring. So the previous one was clinical diagnostics. This is for the stuff that's going in the home. And really, if you have any one forecast, I'm not that good at forecasting, even though I used to be a futurist. What we're going to do in the home, including diagnostics and monitoring, is going to be really, really important for the future of healthcare. All right, and introducing this category is Baxter Lee, who is the president of Clearwater Security. Baxter.
Great, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Baxter Lee, the president of Clearwater. We're the largest pure-play provider of cybersecurity solutions for the healthcare industry. At Clearwater, we're proud to support innovators redefining what's possible through technology. Congratulations on the recognition, and thank you, Advancing for Digital Health. Presenting this year's category nominees and winners is Stephen Collins, the CEO of Matter.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thanks, Baxter. So the companies in this category are some of the most exciting and transformative in healthcare, and I'm thrilled to be recognizing their work. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Omron Healthcare, Validic, Withings Health Solutions, and Xander Cardian. And the winner is Omron Healthcare.
All right, accepting this is Leah Wolf. She's the VP of Sales at Omron Healthcare. And they've been designing state-of-the-art blood pressure monitors for more than 50 years. And I have one that needs some new batteries, so perhaps Leah can help me with it later.
All right, congratulations, Omron. The 8 Rising Star finalists in this category are Cairns Health, Dina, Houston Bionics, Maya MD, Radio Life, Starling Medical, Sonar MD, and VP Exam. And the 3 rising stars are Cairns Health, Houston Bionics, and Starling Medical.
All right, accepting these awards is Andrew Ritter from Cairns Health. They're creating a fundamentally better healthcare experience for people with chronic health conditions and those that care for them. Yagi Sisman from Houston Bionics, a revolutionary stroke recovery through innovative, connected, and accessible at-home rehab solutions. And finally, Hannah McKenney, who's the co-founder of Starling Medical and CEO, first of its kind home urology remote patient monitoring platform that seamlessly integrates into your bathroom routine if you have one, which I hope you do. All right, so this was a lightning on and off. Now the 8-hour lecture starts. Oh, I'm kidding. All right. So congratulations to all our finalists, right? You really are all reshaping the future of healthcare technology and health delivery. I want to thank my co-producers, sponsors, and the Digital Health Hub Foundation team, especially Bethany, who does all the work and makes everything happen. All right, we are back doing the next round of this booth at 3:40, that's in not very long, at booth 1760 for more category winners. Then at 5:15, we'll be on the main stage for the Wellness Awards, so come to that. And then at 6 p.m., the best party at Health at Chica. So you'll see us there, and we are the only place where we have an MD and a DJ who's the same guy, the DJ Classico will be doing it. So that's it for this one. Thanks so much, and we're off in time before we get thrown off. Bye now, see you later.
Genentech applies AI to the design and development of new medicines.